Hi class. Today I wanted to show you a couple of features that might be helpful. So if you go to activities and then discussions, you should notice that under each discussion for the week, there are videos. So if we go to, we're in week 4 now. Here we go. Here are the discussion videos, the lecture videos under discussions. So if you watch the ones on my math lab, that's great. These are extra and very helpful. So I would advise you checking those out. The other thing that I wanted to show you was that we have this in my math lab. If you go to Multimedia Library, you can select what chapter you're working on and what section, so relations and functions, let's say, and you can then choose. I just select all of them, and then they'll give me everything that they have for 2.1, videos and so on. The thing that my students really liked last term was these PowerPoints. So you would open up the PowerPoints, and it has a whole section. 2.1 would have an entire PowerPoint about 2.1 with worked examples. So sorry, it's taking my computer a minute here to get it open. But I heard from other students that this was really helpful, that as they were going through the videos and reading, they looked at the PowerPoints and went through the examples, and that they found that to be helpful. Let's give it just another moment here. Alright, sorry it took a minute there, but if we open it up now, we have this nice PowerPoint with examples and definitions and everything for each section. So that can be helpful too. I hope that one of these methods are speaking to you and that you can use them in your studies this week. Okay, have a good day.